In today's video, I'm going to show you how to tag and organize contacts in Mailchimp quickly and easily. If you manage email lists, customer segments, or marketing leads, tagging your contacts is one of the best ways to keep everything organized and ready for campaigns. It helps you group people by interest, location, status, or audience type, so you can send more targeted emails later on. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Mailchimp and sign into your account. Once you're inside the dashboard, look at the left-hand menu and click Audience. This is where all of your contacts are stored, along with the tools you need to manage them. After that, you'll see your audience list. Now choose the contact or contacts you want to tag. To do that, tick the checkbox next to any contact you want to organize. You can select one contact or multiple contacts at the same time if you want to save time. Once your contact is selected, look for the Tag Contact option and click it. This opens the tagging menu, where you can assign labels to the contact or contacts you've chosen. Next, you'll see a list of available tags. Tick the tag that fits your contact best, such as local or influencer. These tags help you classify people based on their role, audience type, or any custom system you use for your business. After selecting the right tag, click Apply. Mailchimp will instantly add that tag to the chosen contact or contacts, helping you keep your audience better organized for future campaigns, automations, and filters. That's all there is to it. You've now successfully tagged and organized contacts in Mailchimp. This is a simple step, but it can make a huge difference when it comes to sending the right message to the right people. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.